Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a high protein, high fiber paratha recipe for weight loss. This paratha is high protein and keeps you feeling fuller for a longer time, and thus it helps in weight loss and weight management. The filling in this paratha is not only protein rich but it also has many benefits, hence ideal to include in your diet, especially those with lifestyle health issues. Let me also show you how well the filling has evenly spread in the paratha. This paratha is an ideal lunchbox meal for those on a weight loss diet. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. I'm using half cup horse gram in this recipe. Horse gram is also known as kulit. It is one of the richest source of protein for vegetarians. It has fat burning capacity, helps to lower cholesterol, reduces blood sugar levels, prevents kidney stones, protect against gout and uric acid, and the best thing is it is much cheaper than other pulses and dals. Also, another good thing is apart from protein, horse gram is a rich source of minerals such as calcium, iron, and zinc. So, those with iron deficiency, anemia, and calcium deficiency can include this inexpensive dal in their diet, and make sure you use desi ghee to help the nutrients absorb faster into your body when you're using this dal. Kulit is also very filling, hence it will keep you feeling fuller for a longer time, and thus it prevents you from overeating or snacking after a meal, and thus it helps in weight loss. So I'm soaking half cup of horse gram. Horse gram takes a longer time to cook, so soaking it overnight or at least 3 to 4 hours is ideal. Once the dal is soaked, wash and rinse it and then add it into the pressure cooker. Add in about 3/4 cup of water, pink Himalayan salt as needed, and pressure cook for about 20 minutes on low flame. So what I do is after the first whistle, I reduce the flame to the lowest and cook it for 20 minutes. While the dal is cooking, let's make the dough for the paratha. I'm using 1 cup of kapli wheat flour. However, you can use ordinary whole wheat flour instead. Kapli wheat is also known as emmer wheat. It's an ancient variety of wheat grain which has a very weak gluten molecule and hence it's easily digestible. This low gluten wheat is also rich in fiber and has other health benefits. Please do check my video on kapli roti to understand more. Links will be updated below this video. Those with thyroid, PCOS and diabetes can try to include kapli wheat in their diet and see how their body responds to it, especially the bloating issues. However, those with celiac disease should avoid all types of wheat products. Now I'm just spicing the dough with a half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, half teaspoon ajwain, which I'm just roughly crushing with my fingers and adding in so that the flavors are released, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder to help the turmeric absorb faster into your body. Now give this a mix and then add in half cup water little by little and make it into a soft dough. Add in half teaspoon desi ghee and mix well and then keep it aside. After about 20 minutes, and once the pressure has depressurized by itself, open the cooker and you can see that the dal is nicely cooked. In case you have some remaining water in the pressure cooker, you may use it to knead the dough. Transfer the dal into a plate and mash it lightly. Into that, I'm adding in half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 2 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoon chopped curry leaves for that extra iron and folate, 1/4 inch chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as kayam in Malayalam, half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Also note that the ingredients are listed below this video in the description box. Now mix all this really well and divide into equal portions and keep aside. Now the best part of this filling is that you can make ahead this filling and store it in the refrigerator, and the next day or when you are planning to make the paratha, you just have to knead the dough and use the filling in the paratha. This filling also will keep good in the fridge for up to 2 to 3 days. Before making the parathas, lightly knead the dough a couple of times on the work surface and then take a small lemon-sized dough, sprinkle in some kapli wheat flour and lightly roll it out. When rolling, make sure that the sides are thinner and the center is thick. Now place one portion of the dal mix and cover and seal the dough. Sprinkle some kapli wheat and with your hands roll into a small circle like I am showing in the video. And then with a rolling pin flatten it out and place it on the hot tawa and let it cook on low flame for about a minute and then turn it over. Note that I am using a cast iron tawa which has more heat retention. Hence I am cooking on low flame. Also note that cooking in a cast iron helps in better iron absorption. So if you have iron deficiency anemia, try to make sure that you cook at least one of your meal in a cast iron cookware. Now drizzle in half teaspoon desi ghee. Remember that desi ghee helps to bring down the glycemic index of wheat and also helps to assimilate vitamins and minerals faster into your body, especially fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, K, D and E. Now flip it over and again drizzle in half teaspoon desi ghee. I have already shared a couple of videos on how desi ghee helps to burn fat. Do check it out for more information and why you should be including desi ghee in your diet. Once both sides are cooked well, remove from the tawa and repeat the same with the rest of the dough. I am serving the high protein paratha with some shallots and sliced carrots. I am also adding in a pinch of pink Himalayan salt and a splash of homemade coconut vinegar for some gut friendly healthy bacteria, or you can use apple cider vinegar, but make sure you use the apple cider vinegar which has the mother. Now give it a mix and I'm also serving some homemade pickle. Did you know that pickles made in the traditional way is a good source of gut friendly probiotics? And my healthy, high protein, nutrient dense meal is ready to serve. One paratha is super filling and keeps you feeling fuller for a longer time. So guys, do try this healthy, high protein and nutrient dense paratha and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.